Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the trailer build. I'm so excited to get cracking on with this project. So last week we got all the surface rust off the box. So this week's episode we're gonna grind off all the rust on the bottom box. So yeah, let's get onto it and let's start getting all the rust off the box. Oh yeah guys, just another important thing, grab a mask because you're inhaling all the dust. So yeah, just grab a mask as well and then you should be able to get on with it and not inhale all the crappy stuff. But yeah, let's continue. Righto guys, so basically we just finished sanding off the whole box. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab a quick lunge and then I'm going to flip the trailer upside down on the grass just so we can scuff off all the rust underneath, because that's probably the most important spot is underneath, because you don't want rust to come through from underneath. So yeah, we're just gonna get all the rust off, and then that's probably the first spot we're gonna start painting, just so the bottom is finished, and then we can focus on the top of the trailer. But for now, let me go grab a lunch and then we'll continue. Alright guys, so as you can see, I couldn't put it on its lid. It's quite heavy, although it's small. I thought it's going to be easy to put it on its lid, but unfortunately not. So this is going to be the plan B. So basically I'm just going to let it sit like that, so it is safe, so don't worry about that. And then we'll just lie under here and just scuff off all the rust, and yeah, let's tackle it from there. Man, what a day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. So basically we finished sanding off all the rust on the bottom box and underneath where the chassis is and everything as well. But yeah, and then we used a primer. So in case you're wondering how many bottles I used, I actually just finished this bottle with the last bit of work to do. So yeah, a 5x3 trailer with a box. One bottle is all it takes to do everything, and I actually had a little bit left, but I just ended up using it and double coated some spots. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because next week or the next episode I'm gonna paint the good old trailer, so it's gonna look extremely good. And so make sure you're subscribed, and the bell icon is also clicked so you're notified as soon as the episode drops, because it's one you don't want to miss. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait for this trailer to look like a new one again. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.